Have you ever wondered what makes New York City cheesecake so uniquely rich and incredibly creamy, tasting unlike any other dessert you have tried? Yes, you absolutely can create an authentic New York City-style cheesecake right in your own kitchen, capturing that iconic creamy texture and rich flavor that defines this classic dessert. While it requires attention to detail, achieving that quintessential taste and consistency at home is entirely within reach. The secret to genuine New York City cheesecake lies in its specific ingredients and precise baking technique. It starts with using high-quality, full-fat cream cheese, often complemented by heavy cream or sour cream, which contributes to its signature dense yet incredibly smooth texture. The careful balance of eggs provides structure without making it overly custardy. Furthermore, the process typically involves a crucial step called a water bath, or bain-marie, where the springform pan containing the cheesecake is placed into a larger pan filled with hot water. This indirect heat ensures the cheesecake bakes slowly and evenly, preventing it from drying out or cracking, resulting in that perfectly creamy, melt-in-your-mouth consistency every time. To achieve this at home, focus on precise measurements for your ingredients, especially for the cream cheese and sugar, to maintain the rich balance. Ensure your cream cheese is at room temperature before mixing to prevent lumps, which can affect the final texture. After baking, a slow cooling process, first in the oven with the door ajar and then on a wire rack, is essential to allow the cheesecake to set properly and further prevent cracking. Patience is truly a key ingredient when it comes to cooling and chilling your cheesecake for several hours, or even overnight, before serving. A truly authentic New York City cheesecake often boasts a classic graham cracker crust and a very slight hint of lemon zest, which brightens the overall flavor without overpowering the rich cheese notes. Some traditional recipes also include a small amount of cornstarch or flour, acting as a stabilizer to help maintain the cheesecake's structure and smooth texture, an insider trick that further distinguishes it from lighter, airier versions. It is a deceptively simple dessert in terms of ingredients but requires a careful hand to achieve its legendary status. By understanding the essential components like high-fat cream cheese, the water bath method, and a patient cooling process, you can confidently bake a New York City-style cheesecake that truly embodies the city's celebrated culinary heritage. This effort will reward you with a delightful dessert that is sure to impress, proving that the magic of an authentic slice can indeed be recreated right from your home oven.